Hi, we're going to talk about composing some music. Now, in this video, there are a number of different ways we might use this in the classroom. If you are just going to play, you can move forward until we start playing, and then you can start the playing part. Now, I'm going to explain some of how we're going to use this to compose. I'd like to bring your attention to a couple of different things. First, we're going to have the speed of the beat, how fast or slow we go. And that's going to be using a quarter note equals, in this case, 80 beats a minute. Sometimes it'll go faster, sometimes it'll go slower with a smaller number. And so that is one of your decisions. The next thing you need to decide is going to be some rhythms and how high and how low the notes go. There are three different rhythms I'd like you to be using in this assignment. One is a quarter note, which has one sound in a beat. Another is our 2/8 notes, which has two sounds in a beat. And then the third one is a rest, shh, which has one beat of silence in this case. And so you'll use three different types of rhythms at some point in your composition. I want you to be using C, D, and E, which is going to be a low note, a middle note, and a higher note, so that you have three notes of high and low. You have three rhythms, you have the speed of how fast you go, and you're going to be using four measures of music. You're going to create four measures of sound. And a measure is the space in between these bar lines that creates the unit of music. And we have one measure here, a second measure, a third measure, and a fourth measure. Four measures, three different kinds of rhythms, three different kinds of beats, and how fast the beat goes. I hope you enjoy the process. Now, I've created some different examples here, and I'd like us to see if we can play through these so you can get some ideas. This is just the beginning. Each one of you can have your own awesome idea of music that you feel right now in a way for you to express yourself. Let's try and play this together. Now we go faster. We're going to go much slower. Faster. Medium speed. Yeah! I hope you enjoyed getting a chance to play through some of those different ideas. Make sure that you're creating your own ideas with those three variables of how fast and how slow and how silent or the sounds that you make, how high and how low the sounds are, and how fast or how slow the beat goes.